Minisitule y'enjigiriza n'emizannyo era nga mukyalo omukulembeze gw'eggwanga Janet Museveni agamba nti omwaka 2023 minisitule yakomye okusomesa amasomo ga diploma amatendekero gaayo agawulira ddala 20 era ng'essaawa eno ebifo ebiriwo biri 198 ategeeza nti basobodde okwongera ku misaala gy'abasomesa basayansi wabula nga bakyali mu nteekateeka ezongeza n'abakozi ba gavumenti abalala.
The government has prioritized salary enhancement for science teaching staff in tertiary institutions and secondary schools, as shown in the slides below. As the economy improves, the government has a phased plan to enhance the salaries of all its employees that have not been enhanced so far. However, the resource envelope for inspection is still low at unit cost of 352,800 shillings per school per year.
Alambudde ku basomesa abakkiriziddwa gavumenti wabula nga tebalina amasomero wakusomesa akategeeza nti obuzibu mukyali wa ssente.
They have to be patient. This country is for all of us. We all have to strive to serve our country as much as we can. When we can't be deployed by government, we just have to wait, or we try to employ ourselves until we can be recruited by government. There is no other way we can do this until we have the funding in our budget.
Ategeeza nti basobodde okuzimba awamu n'okuddaabiriza amasomero ago agabayizi abaliko obulemu okugeza muzibe.
In financial year 2021-22, the following were constructed at Mbare School for the Deaf: a twin staff house, external staff kitchen, 2 stance VIP latrines, and a perimeter wall. Additionally, 10 electrical sewing machines, 10 hand sewing machines, 100 ordinary sewing machines, 10 flat irons, 100 seam lippers were procured and delivered.
Ku by'emizannyo Minisita Museveni ategeeza nga bali mu kuzimba ebisebe by'emizannyo mu bitundu by'eggwanga ebyenjawulo nga mu kino bagendedde okusitula talanta z'Abannayuganda.
The ministry has conducted feasibility studies and prepared project designs for the proposed Akibua Olympic and Buhinga Stadia. These documents were submitted to Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development for facilitation for obtaining funding. The government completed the construction of 102 schools out of 117 new secondary schools under the first phase of a World Bank credit facility.
Yakulira akakiiko akatwala ebyenjigiriza amatikira aga waggulu Professor Meru Kakola Sambaza ebiwandiiko ebitambula ku mikutu emigattabantu ng'akakiiko kakulemerwa bwe kayina enkolagana University Cambridge era nga alungamizza ne ku masomo agayibwa okuba nti gayitako.
Honourable Minister, I would like to repeat, this document is fake. Whereas we consider Cambridge University to be of very high repute and one of the top institutions of higher learning in the world, we do not have any collaboration with it.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.